Welcome to Robotics with Om Sir. Let's see how to fix Outlook is not responding issue. The very first fix you should try is pressing the Windows plus R key together to open the Run dialog box. Then, type Outlook /save. Click on OK and open it. Here choose any profile if you are having multiple profiles and click on OK. If Outlook opens normally without any issues, the problem might be due to the add-ins. To check the add-ins, click on File, then Options, and then Add-ins. Under Manage COM add-ins, click on Go. If there are any items selected, unselect them and click on OK. If this does not work, let's move on to method 2. Again press Windows plus R and search for appwiz.cpl and hit Enter. In this app list, locate Microsoft Office. Right-click on it and select Change. Click on Yes. Choose Quick Repair and click on Repair. Let it repair your Microsoft Office installation. Once the repair is complete, try opening Outlook again. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more troubleshooting videos. Please like the video to support us.